Can you tell me what symbol goes with this? Well, let's pronounce it. It's fences, right? So although it's a symbol, it's actually the IP symbol would be this one right here. It'd be like a zebra, right? Which brings us to our next topic. What distinguishes these two sounds here, the s and the z? The difference between what distinguishes these two sounds is actually the first component of three components that go into how we pronounce consonant sounds. Okay? The three different components that work together to make different sounds, different consonant sounds. Vowel sounds are different, and we'll talk about that later. So, to find out the difference, this is going to be something you can try yourself. I want you to cover your ears like so, and first pronounce this sound, as in s, and then switch to this one, as so. Okay, what was the difference that you noticed? Well, you probably noticed that there was a vibration, okay? When we pronounce this sound here, as the Z symbol is the zebra. And the technical term for vibration when it comes to pronouncing sounds is voicing. So there are two different categories of sounds, voiced versus unvoiced. So voiced being vibration, having a vibration, while unvoiced not having vibration when you pronounce a sound. So which one, the S or the Z is unvoiced? The S is unvoiced, and the Z, the Z is voiced. So with voicing and unvoiced, it's not just about the vocal vibration. There's actually another factor that's involved. And we'll take the P and the B as an example as well. Okay? So when you pronounce the S sound, you go what do you hear? What does that sound like? Well, it sounds almost like there is an air tank leak and there's air just spouting out. Or maybe there's a snake hissing at you or something. Another component of voice versus unvoiced is actually air. So with unvoiced sounds, there's more air that comes out of your mouth when you pronounce a sound. When your vocal cords vibrate, this inhibits the air coming out of your mouth. So let's go to these two sounds here. It's a little test, okay? I want you to put your hand in front of your mouth. I want you to pronounce these two sounds, okay? With the A sound afterwards. For example, pa and ba. Pa, ba. Pa, ba. What did you notice? In which sound is there more air coming out? Well, you probably noticed that in the P sound, pa, there is more air being released. Okay, so which sound is voiced and which one is unvoiced? You guessed it. The P is unvoiced. We use a little negative symbol. And the B is voiced. We use a little plus sign to indicate voiced.